Sometimes a hug is all you need when you feel alone and sad. These wannabe humans called AI chatbots are now adopting the same thing. What I mean by that is to overcome their weaknesses. They are all coming under a window where they can hug each other for performing tasks beyond their capabilities. This platform was rolled off by Microsoft. It is called Jarvis. I know that is one way to attract Iron Man as well, but Microsoft Jarvis is changing the game, and here's how. ChatGPT has become our favorite biological friend since its reveal, but up till now, it can only generate text. By no means am I saying that it isn't a big feat, but you know, as humans, we always want more. What if we want to generate a photo? What if we want to generate a photo based on another photo? And what if we want to change the processing model for our prompt? These are all legitimate questions. So people at Microsoft and HuggingFace sat down under one roof and decided to roll out a fatherly platform that would unite all the baby chatbots, where one would act as the controller, which will be able to communicate with all other models. Well, let me put it in a lighthearted way for you. So there's this band of merry brains at Microsoft and a team including Yongliang Shen, Kaito Song, Zhu Tan, Dongsheng Li, Weiming Lu, and Yuting Zhang. They've all thrown some wisdom onto paper, and Cornell University said, sure, we'll publish it. According to the paper, the journey starts when a human, presumably someone like you, places a wish in the bot's virtual ear. The bot, dutiful as it is, sketches out the blueprints for the task. Then, like a chef in a kitchen, it picks out the perfect AI models it needs for the job. Once it's got its crew ready, it guides them through the dance of the task at hand. Finally, the bot, having completed its magical act, pulls a rabbit, or rather a response, out of its hat, and voila, presents it to the user. This handy chart decodes the mystery of how this whole system plays out in reality. Picture this. A user tells the bot, hey, draw me a picture where a girl is reading a book, sitting just like the lad in this example image. So the bot gets to planning the task. It employs one of its trusty AI sidekicks to suss out the boy's pose in the given photo. Then, with the wisdom of the first sidekick in its digital pocket, it summons another AI Picasso to bring the new image to life. It's like the bot is conducting a symphony of AI models to create an artful masterpiece. Not only that, Jarvis can give reasonable comments on the photo it is asked about. It can tell what is happening in the photo and what was the intent behind taking it or making it. As an artist, I'm really excited for the time when Jarvis could actually mate with Adobe Firefly for creating artworks. I mean, the NLP power of GPT-4 combined with the artistic skills of Jarvis would be a banger. Jarvis can count as well. For instance, if you want to ask how many zebras are in a photo, and the photo depicts a tricky scenario when one zebra is hidden, it performs reasonably well. Since everyone loves counting zebras, here is how you can use Jarvis. Microsoft provides a GitHub page where you can download and experiment with Jarvis on a Linux-based PC, while the company suggests the usage of Ubuntu, specifically the older 16 LTS version. However, you can be successful in utilizing the key feature of Jarvis on both Ubuntu 22.04 LTS and Windows Subsystem for Linux. Still, if you prefer not to tamper with configuration files, the optimal way to experience Jarvis is through HuggingGPT, a web-based chatbot developed by Microsoft researchers. It's hosted on HuggingFace, an online AI community with thousands of open-source models. I don't know why these companies don't like to give us old-school Windows and Mac users this privilege of testing their products in their early stages. We'll leave that debate for another day. A system like Jarvis is given the term AGI, which stands for Artificial General Intelligence. If you've watched my video on Singularity, I've explained both the types of AI, narrow and general. But for today's target, I'm going to talk a bit about it here as well. So, general AI refers to a type of artificial intelligence that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a broad range of tasks at a level comparable to that of a human being. It's flexible, can independently build multiple competencies, and can make decisions based on context. It's capable of self-learning and self-improvement. ChatGPT in itself is a narrow AI. Jarvis is the first real attempt at developing a generally artificial intelligence. As more AI models become accessible through platforms like HuggingFace, Jarvis will continue to amplify its abilities, acquiring new skills and enhancing its capabilities. Consider Jarvis as an ever-evolving superhero, constantly honing new superpowers. While I've discussed AGI in past discussions, I'm not convinced that we're socially prepared for its fully fledged reality. However, whether we're prepared or not, the progression towards AGI and the potential singularity seems to be hastening. Jarvis exemplifies the rapid advancement of AI technology. Recently, there's been substantial chatter about quantum computing's intersection with AI. Quantum computing is an emergent technology that employs quantum mechanics principles to perform complex computations at a faster rate than traditional computers. Despite its novelty, professionals are exploring its diverse applications, particularly in AI. Quantum computing can notably augment machine learning algorithms, enabling faster data processing and improved outcomes. Jarvis can integrate multiple AI models to execute complex tasks, and with quantum computing, its performance could dramatically improve. By implementing quantum computing algorithms, Jarvis can rapidly process vast amounts of data, which is paramount in AI. Yet, the intersection of quantum computing and AI presents new challenges, like potential threats to data security due to quantum computers' ability to decrypt encryptions. Additionally, it nudges us closer to real AGI, which, though inevitable, may not be the best immediate path. You might consider this unfortunate, but I love the fact that Jarvis's advanced capabilities don't render it infallible. It can still make errors, such as misidentifying objects and images, and data privacy concerns. Biases in AI algorithms and potential misuse of AI-generated content are among the ethical considerations that need addressing. Therefore, while leveraging Jarvis's advanced capabilities, we should proceed cautiously and responsibly. Is it just me, or are we actually progressing in artificial intelligence really quick? Because it's not even a year since ChatGPT came out. I mean, the AI landscape is changing in a flash. A few years from now, when this technology is in its somewhat polished shape, it would help us a lot in day-to-day life. By 2050, general artificial intelligence could revolutionize many sectors. In healthcare, AI could enable predictive diagnostics and personalized treatments. It could mitigate climate change by modeling environmental systems and developing efficient renewable energy solutions. In education, AI could personalize learning, and in agriculture, optimize yields and promote sustainability. AI's data processing abilities could advance space exploration and scientific discovery, while in the workplace, automation could spur efficiency. AI might normalize autonomous vehicles, enhance cybersecurity, and aid policymakers in addressing social challenges. Navigating these potentials necessitates careful risk and ethical management. So yes, that is a lot of help, but keep in mind that we are feeding a monster ourselves, and eventually we will lose control over it. Even Elon Musk is worried about how swiftly this technology is developing. Lawmakers are always slow. I don't know why, but things usually get delayed from their end. These people need to understand that regulating AI has become the primary need of this hour, as any minor delay could result in losing harnesses over this technology. But I was on Twitter when I saw this recent tweet from Sam Altman. He said that in a world of AGI, everything happens much faster. But as far as I can see, AI developments are already almost impossible for a human to keep up. Is it the end of AI? Even if it isn't, are humans not able to develop this AGI technology further? I could not draw a pinpoint conclusion from this, but all in all, this tweet really pleased my eyes, and everything they are connected to. Maybe it's because I haven't been paying close enough attention, but I feel like we've suddenly been slapped in the face with technology that is several decades ahead of where I thought we were. I don't know whether to be concerned about the endlessly accelerating pace of advancement or excited about the incredible world it could bring in what looks like a very short time. Anyways, subscribing to the channel was a noble idea before AI and still remains one, so please make sure to subscribe, as these videos take a lot of my time researching and editing. With that said, let's just see where this revolution takes us. I hope I don't end up in a coffin because some badly programmed AI decides to shoot me. Don't get what I mean? Click on this video popping up on your screen to learn more about AI superintelligence. I will catch you there. Until then, goodbye.